Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over on how to use the pseudo class phover. Now pseudo classes are just built-in classes into the CSS, so they already provide a set function. What hover does, right, is that it allows you to just hover over an item and change its properties. In this case, we're saying that for items with the p tag, which is the paragraph tag, if you hover over that, it'll change the color to white. Now this will only affect items with the p tag, and we'll just make it like spoiler tags here. So outside of the p tag, we'll say re02 spoiler, and within that we'll call it Subaru dies. Now we can just do this right here. We'll set the background color to white, to black. That way it contrasts with that. So say refresh, and you see it works. That's all I wanted to show you there. Thank you for watching.